What do we got? Maybe a minute? Is there like a minute left?
Okay. That is crazy.
Oh my god. I don't want to do that.
Sorry, you're already in it. That was really good. Do that again. Can you do it again?
Paper cuts on the sides.
I know.
No one's
Am I supposed to take you now? Are you gonna do something really cool? I love this kid. He's so freaking awesome.
fantastic.
Fantabulous.
It is fantabulous.
Okay.
No, guess who's gonna be the next YouTube sensation?
I don't know how to stop it. Damn it. There we go. Oh, just kidding.